I remember what I said.
Look at all the people that came in numbers in the studio. Hello. They came in numbers to see me live. To see me live at Caps Radio. You guys, you're so blessed to see me live. Yes, and to hear this motivation for free of charge. Thank you so much. You have the future for tomorrow, and 2019 it's your year. Ningazibulali. If your boyfriend dumped you, ningazibulali. When you lost parents, ningazibulali. If you failed in 2018, 2019, it's your year. I want to script whatever you're saying.
What I'm gonna say is, this man is highly inspirational. Let me fix myself. Had an entire interview for an hour, highly inspirational. He's been through the most. He has seen it all, and still he has made it out. He's who he is today. So clearly it shows that there's more to this life thing. If you're having a hard time, speak up to him. Reach out to his camp. Depression and suicide camp. It's there for a reason. Keep doing the good work.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. People, Bangazbulali, 2019, it's their year.
It's everyone.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu, my
Sure,
brother.
sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.